Hi, welcome to online digital marketing training. In this video, I'm explaining about the facts about Twitter. This is my Twitter account. Uh, See, social media is very important. I already explained, and we discussed about the Facebook and LinkedIn in the previous videos. We didn't go much about Twitter. That's why I want to start a Twitter tutorial. So, continuous sequence videos. I'll be posting anyway more than 20 videos. I'll be posting around less than 10 videos about reaching more people organically. Next about the Twitter ads. So subscribe to this channel so that you'll be getting a continuous updates on Twitter. See, Twitter is very powerful, but especially in India, one of the neglected platform is Twitter. So when it comes to analysis for me, see, I have just 88 followers. Why? Because my target audience are students. I trained more than 5,000 students who are 21 to 25 years of age more. So these people spending more time on Instagram and YouTube rather than spending time on the Twitter. But when it comes to US, so 40% of the complete Twitter followers mainly from US only. So 40% are from US people only. So they are using more Twitter. Indians very less. Only 5% of Indians are using Twitter. Out of them, 4% are the marketers only. So only 1% of the general public are using Twitter. So I request people who are watching this video try to create an account and be a part of Twitter account so that in future, if you want to promote your business, that is very good. So create an account. So this is my handle at the rate Subhash Mangalam and try to follow me so that you will be getting updates on this. So let's go more into Twitter anyway. So Twitter is about micro blogging site. You can't write more characters over here. Initially, when they started, it was 140 characters. Now it is 280 characters. So within 280 characters, you have to convey your message. Okay. When it comes to what is tweet, retweet, hashtag, what is list, these are the things in the upcoming videos I'm going to explain. As of now, I'm just to encourage you to go towards the Twitter. I'm going to show some facts. So here I'm showing about 50 incredible facts. So come back to my ODMT website. In the search bar, if you type out facts about Twitter, you'll be getting this blog. Okay. So Twitter was created in March 2016 by these people, Jack Dorsey and remaining people, in 2006. And the first post, but the first tweet, they called as a tweet on 21st March 2006. So this is the tweet. Just setting up my Twitter in 2006. So 1,20,000 people were talking about that at the time. And Twitter is famous for hashtags. This first hashtag used by this guy, Chris Messina. So he mentioned about how do you feel about using hash pound? This is called pound symbol for groups. Now it is very useful, and people on Instagram, Facebook, and LinkedIn also they're using a hashtag. Now here you see the importance of Twitter anyway. On 15th January 2009, a US airway flight crashed on New York's Hudson River, and this news has been posted immediately on Twitter. So other than any other television reporters, the Twitter news have reached more people. So from that point of time, people started understanding how Twitter is good for breaking news. Now people, all the latest news they'll be finding on the Twitter. Now these are the some statistics about the Twitter. There are 330 million monthly active users and 145 million daily users. A total of 1.3 billion accounts have been created till now. Of those, 44% made an account and left over before even ever sending a tweet. So out of 100, 44% people they created, but they didn't do anything because whenever the platform created, it has to be user friendly. See the WhatsApp, it's very easy. Even AutoWallet can use it. Okay. Facebook also like that, it's very easy. Twitter is not easy. People will not understand. That's the reason 44% of the people, they not even made a tweet. But you watching this video maybe means you might be a digital marketer. Whether it is tough, you have to use it. But once you habituate to Twitter, Twitter is a beautiful platform. Based on US accounts, 10% of users write 80% of the tweets. So among them also, only 10% of the people contributing 80% of the tweets. 22% of Americans on Twitter. Only 550 million people have ever sent a tweet. Remaining people have not. See, out of 1.3 billion account, 550 million people only ever sent a tweet. And next, 80% of active users access the site via mobile. So most of the people download the app that they're using. Next, 391 million accounts have no followers at all. See, I'll tell you the way how to get more followers. It means these 391 people, they're not active, they might not spending much time, but getting followers is very easy. It's not a big deal anyway. So Barack Obama has the most followers with over 111 millions, followed by Katy Perry and Justin Bieber. And Taylor Swift is the most influential person on Twitter. Second is Donald Trump, and third is Narendra Modi. That's good. It shows that in the future, India is also going to use Twitter more. And most of the journalists make up 24% of verified accounts. You know about the verified account where they'll be getting a blue tick. I make a video on this anyway. 83% of the world's leaders are on Twitter. Means political leaders, maybe CEOs, businessmen. So highly professionals are using Twitter. So understand this. This you can utilize as a marketing anyway. So your target audience are very good anyway. So you can do good business. 79% of accounts are held outside of the US. Twitter estimates 23 million of its active users are actually bots. Now that is one problem anyway these days. People who have a lot of knowledge, they create program in such way that bots will keep on coming and tweeting and all these things. So there are some bots anyway. So according to some news, now the Katy Perry have Justin Bieber have good followers, right? Out of them, 50% are the bots. And some programmers doing like this anyway. But anyway, you will come to know whether it's fake or not by seeing the engagement. If they have more followers, the engagement might be good anyway. If the engagement less means most of the bots are coming over there. Twitter usage statistics. There are 500 million tweets sent each day. That's 6,000 tweets every second. 6,000 tweets every second. Even I observed that when I made a tweet with a trending hashtag, immediately when I check the analytics, it keep on reaching more people. Every time I refresh, it's reaching more. The impressions are getting more, engaged more. That's what. So 6,000 tweets every second, it's good actually. The most retweeted tweet, one from Japanese billionaire. So maybe he might be running a contest. If you retweet it, I'll be giving money. He said that he's going to give 5.5 million for a retweet. So most people have retweeted this tweet. Finally, the Twitter marketing statistics. 65% of US companies with 100% employees use Twitter for marketing. It shows the importance of the Twitter. $70 million was spent on ads in 2017. So it's going to be huge in 2020 and 2021 also. 77% of Twitter users feel more positive about a brand when their tweet has been replied to. Now using Nike shoes and you put a tweet to them and they reply back, they feel positive about it. That's good anyway. 58% of top brands have over 1 lakh followers on Twitter. Obviously all brands, Nike, Adidas, all these people have a Twitter account and they have more than 1 lakh followers on Twitter. 92% of companies tweet more than once a day. 42% tweet 1 to 5 times a day, and 19% tweet 6 to 10 times a day. So according to Twitter, different times, if you tweet 5 times a day, that is very good. Twitter with images get 150% more retweets. So try to use the image. The average Twitter user follow 5 businesses, and 80% of Twitter users have mentioned a brand in a tweet. 54% of users surveyed by the Twitter reported that they had taken action after seeing a brand mentioned in tweets. Means in the Twitter, someone using it and they mention the brand, they're more likely to buy from that brand. So the last 2 years have seen a 2.5x increase in customer service conversation on Twitter. So Twitter platform is used as a customer support also these days. That's very good. So these are all the statistics and benefits of the Twitter. So if you are a digital marketer, it is mandatory that you have to use Twitter. Most of the digital marketers spending time on the Facebook. Okay, but come down to Twitter also. Twitter have a global presence so that you can do international business with this. Okay, I think this information is useful for you to create a Twitter account. Create a Twitter account and follow me. This handle, this is my handle. So twitter.com/subhashmangalam and follow me so that we can communicate here. In the next video, I'm explaining about how to create Twitter accounts. After that, I'll be explaining all these different options. Then Twitter is powerful with the search. There is a search option in the Twitter. So how the Twitter search works. Next, I'll explain about the Twitter list and Twitter chat and what are the trending topics, how to utilize them for the marketing. Okay, thank you very much. If you have any questions about the Twitter, so put a comment in the comments so that I'll be replying back to you. Thank you very much.